Hello everyone, my name is Ebere. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's program, we are going to be having a chit chat on why spiritual products don't work for some people or don't work on some people. While we are having this chit chat, I will be taking us on little procedures on preparing AWELE soap. AWELE soap is soap for success, soap for progress. It doesn't have any side effects. Reason it doesn't have any side effects is because it's all about natural roots and herbs. It's all about natural things. No harmful object inside or no harmful living thing inside. It's all about everything good. Before we proceed, please, I would like you to subscribe on my YouTube channel at Ebere Igwebike, because here, this is where we are going to be learning a lot about our practical spiritual life. Because sometimes when something is being taught, so many people will ask you, how is it being done? While we continue, let's go and show you guys how my AWELE soap is being prepared. I'm going to show you a little bit, then we'll come back and continue our chat on how or why some spiritual products or many spiritual products don't work on some people. Let's go. Follow me. Let me go and show you something. So this is how it's been done. I'm going to be showing you guys a little process on how it's been done. The reason for this, for putting it on fire, is just to get it look like a powdered substance. After this, it's going to be smooth in order to help us in processing the AWELE soap. Okay, like I said earlier, there is no harmful object, no harmful living thing, no harmful living animal. It's all about natural things. It's all about natural substances. So let's go back and continue our chit chat on why some spiritual products don't work for some people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back from a little break we had. This is still Ebere Igwebike. Please help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, we are going to continue on our little topic today. Why some spiritual products don't work for some people. Now, I'm going to be starting with number one reason. The number one reason why it seems like some spiritual products don't work from some people is because if you are a man or a woman and you are being given any spiritual products, any day you are to use it, you are advised, I repeat, you are advised, I repeat, you are advised to stay away from sex. It helps a lot. You don't use your spiritual product and at the same time you keep having sex that same day or that same minute you use your spiritual products. Reason for this is because there are some spiritual products, or most of the spiritual products, the active ones, like this very ones I just showed you guys now, this AWELE soap. After preparing this AWELE soap, after undergoing this process of preparing it, I am expected to charge it overnight with and back it up with midnight libations. This is the reason why it is very, very advisable for you to stay away from sex any day you are to use the spiritual product. It helps a lot. It helps your spiritual product to work very fast. It helps your spiritual product to remain active for you to be using it. Number two procedure on why spiritual products don't work for some people. If you are a lady and you are here, anytime you are seeing your monthly period, you are advised to stay away from your spiritual products. Reason is because women on their monthly period don't do anything about spirituality, not until they are done with their monthly period. It has been like that in the time of the old. Monthly period spoils anything spiritual product. It doesn't work on it. It makes your spiritual product not to be active for you to use it again. Okay guys, with this little opinion, with these little instructions, we have come to the end of today's program on my YouTube channel. I still remain your one and only Ebere Igwebike. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this is where, on this channel is where we are going to be teaching a lot of practicals about spirituality. Thank you all for having me here. Thank you guys. Bye.